Greetings YouTube, Tiffany Miss Kodak here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into this 1 month update plus retie. Let's dive right into this slippage. Do y'all see that? I had to reinstall maybe about 2 or 3 before it was actually time for my retie, because if I didn't, I was going to have free natural loose hair in the back. And then there's the growth. So my hair was really growing during these 4 weeks. Now some of that could have been slippage, but I'm gonna tell you it was growth. I was so impressed for my hair to have no products. It did not feel dry. May have looked dry, but it wasn't. I didn't put anything on my hair except for a little bit of glycerin and rose water, and then just sweat and water or humidity from the shower. I was super impressed with the growth over my hair over these 4 weeks. And I'm just going to show you some more pictures that I took during the weeks leading up to my retie. And that's really all I have for my 1 month. I didn't style my hair a lot. I just kind of let it be free. So as far as 1 month update and growth, that's all there is. Transitioning right over to my retie process, what I did, this is my first time doing a retie. So here I've sectioned my hair so that I could really get in there with my clarifying shampoo and wash my hair. So this is what my hair looks like when I'm getting ready to wash it. I braid and band, and I put it in these sections because this is how I wanted to retie my hair using these sections. So this is just how it's set up for the wash, and this is also going to be how I start my retie with these sections. Very similar to my installation, I'm about to show you the products or items that I use to do my retie. So right here I'm showing you the clips that I used. Again, just simple double prong clips to section off my hair, keep it separated. Here is my blue yarn needle. I'm going to show you the packaging. I actually modified it a little bit. That particular one I used to do my parting. I felt like it made it a little bit crispier than the rat tail comb that I was using originally. And then my trusty dandy latch hook crochet needle that I absolutely love to do my reties with. So right here, I am showing you how I do my rotation. Also going to show you a little bit of growth. My hair definitely grew a lot, grew more than what I gave it credit for. With my rotations, you'll see me go in with my latch hook. I like to end my rotations pointing down, so going south. That way my Microlocs can kind of lay down. I definitely don't like for them to end with the last rotation pointing north. So it'll either end south or it'll be going east or west, but never to the north unless I wanted my hair on top of my head to point straight up, which I don't think I ever will. In the next couple of clips, I'm showing the same method on a different Microloc. I won't talk through those, but just wanted to tell you guys what I was doing. I'm not going to try to tell you that I was going left to right, north to south, east to west, south to north, because it changed, but always down or left to right when I ended. And so right now I will stop talking so that you can watch the rotation. And so right here, all I'm doing is taking the loose hair and just wrapping it around the Microloc so that it can kind of reduce some of the frizziness in the Microlocs. That's it, and that's my rotation. Gonna show you one last thing with the modified yarn tool that I use. So if this lock, I could not get the crochet hook through the last pass. So here I'm showing you where I put the yarn needle on my Microloc and just pulled it through my hair and then pulled the lock the rest of the way. That tool is actually very easy to use. I just don't like how it slips out and I have to keep putting my hair back through the eye, which is why I prefer the latch hook over that one. But when I have those hard to reach passes on the final pass, I will use that tool so that I'm not splitting or breaking my roots. Lastly, I'm just going to show you guys what I have left to retie on my hair. The back has been completely done, so I'm just going to show you the sections. That's parted into two, but it's going to be one whole section right there. And then the next section right here. And then that last little corner there. Y'all, but check out my hair, like this new growth. Like, look at these roots. This is crazy. I didn't even know my hair looked like that till I started redoing it. So I'm going to show you guys the back. That section up there in the middle that's just sticking straight up. Woo, Lord. But this is the back. I've done all of those sections. Remember how I had it parted when I showed you the aerial view of my hair where I had, don't laugh at my kitchen. Okay, leave my kitchen alone. Let me be quiet. Okay. So next morning, hair is finished. I am unveiling and I'm completely retied and I'm so excited. I'm going to show you all my entire head. And yeah. Today is a run day, so it's perfect because my scalp is going to sweat. Yes, baby. And my little locks gonna be popping. Yes. All right, folks, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video come February for my 2nd month update.
I bet you love wanna like me. I bet you wanna own me.